For more than 100 years, Healthometer Professional has been North America's #1 medical scale brand, built on superior products and services, trusted by healthcare facilities, large and small. We're proud of that history, and we're always looking forward, helping the healthcare industry navigate change way easier. For example, healthcare facilities must ensure that their medical diagnostic equipment complies with the U.S. Access Board's latest ADA guidelines. The U.S. Department of Justice, along with the Department of Health and Human Services, establish specific ADA compliance deadlines. The new MDE standards are designed to improve patient safety and accessibility. While compliance requirements are clear and specific, some product descriptions can be vague or confusing. For example, ADA-friendly is not the same as ADA-compliant. Healthometer Professional's ADA-compliant scales are certified by a recognized, independent third-party entity. Let's start with our digital stand-on scales. The 1100 KL platform scale with extra-wide handrails and the 2101 KL platform scale are certified ADA compliant, meeting all the latest MDE requirements. Wheelchair scales present unique challenges, especially when space is limited. Our 2620 KL scale with dual ramps and extra-large platform is ADA compliant. It features a folding platform and built-in casters so the scale can be moved throughout the facility. Our ADA-compliant 2920 KL AM fold-up wall-mounted scale saves space when not in use, helping minimize the overall footprint in busy care settings. And for facilities that already own our 2600 or 2610 series of scales, our new ADA Compliance Kit retrofits existing scales, bringing them into compliance while saving money. We also offer a certified combination wheelchair and stand-on scale. Like all of our ADA-compliant scales, the 2622 KL has a 1,000-pound capacity and a kilograms-only option. Failure to meet the latest accessibility requirements can lead to workflow disruptions, patient safety concerns, ADA compliance risks, and costly replacements or returns. That's why it's more important than ever to partner with the experts at Healthometer Professional. Our free comprehensive scale consultation service puts you on the fast track for better safety, accessibility, and compliance. Our experts understand the complex regulatory landscape and can help you strategize your ADA compliance roadmap. Your ADA consultation includes a facility needs assessment, space layout and planning, a mobility and accessibility review, ADA compliance guidance, product recommendations, and of course, installation and post-sales support. Healthometer Professional makes ADA compliance way easier. Visit homscales.com/ADA-MDE to learn more or schedule a free ADA consultation.